Hi guys, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this effect in material using some nodes and a texture gradient, and this looks really cool and you can edit it so much. You can change the color if you want, you can change the sharpness, or you can change how you can change number of spikes, you can change the ring, anything you can change it with it. And this looks very nice. So let's start this tutorial. So I have this empty project in UE4.27 and I'll just create a material mfx, and first we need a ring for that effect. So to make a ring there are lots of ways to do that. So you can take a radial and you can make a ring in Photoshop. You can use a texture, but we are avoiding texture for this effect. So let me just set these settings.